What is going on, guys? Back at you with another video. Today I've got a box of 2016-17 Optic Basketball Retail. I've been looking all over for this and haven't been able to find any in my local area, so got on Blowout Cards, ordered this box for 55 bucks, so a little more than half of the hobby. This box does have the same setup as the hobby, 20 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, but you aren't guaranteed an auto in this box. Haven't seen any of this ripped yet, but let's see what we got here. All right. Here we go, guys. All right, starting off with a Buddy Hield rookie card, a Patrick Beverly, a Jeff Teague hollow refractor there, and a DeAndre Jordan. You got a Dragan Bender rookie card, a Clint Capella, a Chris Middleton refractor, and a Bojan Bogdanovic. All right, we got a Malik Beasley. Ooh, got a Signatures CJ McCollum. It's a pretty cool card. It looks like it's a purple refractor, maybe? I haven't seen these cards yet, so pretty cool. Got a Hall Kings of Allen Iverson. These Hall Kings, Rookie Kings, and Court Kings are exclusive to retail, so that's pretty sweet. And a DeMarcus Cousins. I got a Tyson Chandler, got a Patrick McCaw rookie card, got a purple JJ Barea. The purples are not numbered, and a Dwayne Wade. All right, we got a DeAndre Bembry rookie card. Zach Levine, a Gordon Hayward purple, and a Ben McLemore. A Steven Zimmerman rookie card, John Wall, got a Rookie Kings Jacob Podol, and a Nikola Mirotic. What about them Bulls right now? Looking good. Got Willie Hernan-Gomez rookie card. Got a Chris Dunn rookie card. Got a Court Kings of Jahlil Okafor. And an Evan Fournier. Got a Ricky Rubio, Ben Simmons rookie card. Got a Joe Johnson refractor and a George Hill. A Kelly Oubre Jr. Got KCP. Got a Hall Kings of Dennis Rodman. And a Joel Embiid there. Got a Thon Maker rookie card. Isaiah Whitehead rookie. The Court Kings of Kevin Durant. And a Jimmy Butler. There's Pascal, rookie card. Karl Anthony Towns. Got a purple Court Kings of Kyle Lowry. Once again, not numbered. And a Jeremy Lin. Got Demetrius Jackson rookie card. A Bradley Beal. Court Kings of Dirk. And a Josh Richardson. A Marcus Morris. James Harden. The Hall Kings of Jamal Wilkes. And an Anthony Davis. Andrew Wiggins, a Diamond Stone rookie card, Court Kings of Serge Ibaka, and a base of Serge Ibaka. Got an Iguodala, an Alex O'Brien's rookie card, a Rookie Kings of Buddy Hield, and a CP3. Got Malachi Richardson, rookie card. Kay Felder, rookie card. Got a Rookie Kings hollow of Ben Simmons. That is a monster card. Probably not a monster card, but that's a pretty good hit there. Wow. And a Justice Winslow. Got a Jordan Clarkson, Damari Carroll, Court Kings of Justice Winslow, and a Thaddeus Young. Got Norman Powell, got Chris LeVert, rookie card, Hall Kings of Gary Payton, the glove, and a John Henson. Got Markieff Morris, a Marshall Plumlee rookie card, a Rookie Kings of Taurean Prince, and a Jeff Green. And last pack. Got a Sam Decker, got a Bryce Johnson rookie card, got a Court Kings hollow refractor of Andre Drummond, and Blake Griffin. Alright, we'll recap the hit here. I did get an auto, CJ McCollum. Purple refractor, I believe. Yeah, it says Prism there. Not numbered, but still cool. I got a hit out of a retail box. And did hit a couple Simmons. Hit a base Simmons and hit this nice one right here. But overall, for $50, I think it was definitely worth the money. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. Keep coming at you with new videos here pretty much at least once a week, hopefully. So until next time, thank you all for watching.